Friends, so long back we have discussed number series. I would like to recollect all the problems of number series. So I am giving some of the practice problems for the number series. So go to the first problem. We'll discuss each and every problem here with solution. So we will practice some of nearly 30 problems in this exercise. So go to the first problem. Think of all these things before solving the number series, you need to learn number squares and as well as cubes, so that it will be very helpful to us. So let us recollect squares, that is nothing but from 2 to 30, and let us recollect cubes from 2 to 20. So let's go through the problem. This 4 is nothing but 2 square, and 196 is nothing but 14 square. This is nothing but 4 square, this is nothing but 13 square, and this is nothing but 12 square, this is nothing but 8 square friends. So this is clearly established. 2, 4, 6, 8. So the answer will be 6 square friends alternately. So the answer is 36. Then go through the next problem. The next problem is given as 8, 15, 36, 99, 289, 288. So how do you get this answer, friends? So here try to take the difference. This is nothing but 7. Try to take the difference. 15 to 36. This difference is 21. Try to take the difference. 36 to 99. That is difference is 63. And 99 to 288. The difference is 189. So what is the relevance? So here it is 3 into 7 into 3 is been done. Here it is into 3. Here it is into 3. And again you do into 3. 189 into 3. So that will give us what is that, friend? It will give us 3 9s are 27 and 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2, that is nothing but 26, and 3 1s are 1 plus 2 5. So 567. If you add these two, so the answer you will be getting is 855. Then go to the third problem, friends. Third problem is given like this. This is again a simple problem. 100, 50, 52, 26, 28, dash 16, comma 8. So 100, this is nothing but 100 divided by 2 is 50, and again this is added to 52 divided by 2, that is 26, and this is added to, and this is now it will be divided by 2, that is nothing but 28 divided by 2, that will be 4. Then what about this problem, friends? This is again an easy problem. This we know that this is nothing but 1 cube minus 1, this is nothing but 2 cube minus 1, this is nothing but 4 cube minus 1, this is nothing but 5 cube minus 1. So the answer is 3 cube minus 1. 3 cube is 27, 27 minus 1 is nothing but 26. So as I told, you should remember numbers 125, that is nothing but 5 square. So wherever nearer number to 125 appears, you should be able to identify that is 5 square, 5 cube, sorry. Yeah. Then go through the next problem, friends. Don't confuse, as it is given in points. So it's very simple. Let us take 15. This is 23. This is 31. This is 39. This is 47. So the difference is 8. The difference is 8. The difference is 8. The difference is 8. Don't consider the points. So if you consider the points, you get a confusion. Let us for a moment, don't consider the points. So next will be plus 8. That will be nothing but 55. But take a point in the middle. So 55 will be our answer. Then what about the next problem? The problem is given like this: 14, 28, 20. So this is again a simple problem, friends. 14, 28, 20, 40, 32, 64. Then how do you get this? This is nothing but into 2, and here you will be getting minus 8, and it is into 2, and here you will be getting minus 8. Here it will be into 2, and here you will be getting minus 8. 64 minus 8, you will be getting the answer as 56, friends. Then go through the next problem. 6, 10, 18, 34. So 6, 10, 18, 34, friends. This is nothing but 6 into 2 minus 2. This is nothing but into 2 minus 2. This is nothing but into 2 minus 2. So next answer would be into 2 minus 2, friends. 34 into 2 is nothing but 68. 68 minus 2 is nothing but 66. So think of the numbers. These are very near. 6 to 10, 10 to 18, 18 to 34. Of course, you will be getting the answer with the difference also. But you think of this logic also. Yeah. Go through the next problem. The next problem is given like this, friends. 13 to 40, 40 to 121, 121 to 369. See, this 13 is not a square, not nearer to square. 40 is not a square, not nearer to square. 120 is not a square, but it is nearer to square. But remaining numbers are not nearer to square. So think of the numbers are increasing, 40, 121 rapidly increasing. Think of multiplication logic. 13 threes are 13 threes are 39 plus 1, that will give us 40. 43s are 120 plus 2, that is 122. 122 into 3 is nothing but 366 plus 3, that is nothing but 369 into 3. 369 into 3 plus 4 will be our answer, friends. So 369 into 3 will give us 1007. So if you add 4, that you will be getting the answer as 4 ones. Then go to the next problem, that is given as 230, 246, 271 and 307. So what is that? Try to find the difference. Whatever the problem is given, try to find the difference once. This is 16 and this is 25 and this is 36. Then what is the next difference? Obviously it would be, this is 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, then next it will be 7 square. So 49 plus 7 is 56. So the answer is 356. Then go through the next problem, friends. What is given in the next problem? Yeah, try to find the difference. This is 6 and this is the difference is 12 and here the difference is 18. So the next difference would be 6, 12, 18. The next difference would be 24. 24 plus 67. So the answer will be 91. Then go to the next problem, friends. What is given in the next problem? That is given as 27 to 32 and 30, 35. So here to here increased, here to here decreased, here to here increased, here to here decreased. So go in an alternate way. This is plus 3, this is plus 3, this is plus 3. Yes, it works. Then go through the remaining numbers, 32 to 35 plus 3. Then again you add plus 3. So you will be getting the answer as 38. You need not. If there are options, it will give us clarity. Sometimes we may add 4 also, but by default we are adding 3. Go through the next problem. What is given? This is again a square spreads. 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Then next would be like 7 square. 7 square is nothing but 49. Then go through the next problem. 13th problem. It is given as 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55. Try to take the difference. 2, 3, 5. And this is 8 and this is 13 and this is 21. This is something clumsy is there difference, but try to find the numbers. Look at the numbers randomly, like 3, 5, 8. 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8 and 5 plus 8 is nothing but 13 and 8 plus 13 is nothing but 21. So addition of digits, this is nothing but 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8 and 5 plus 8 is nothing but 13 and 8 plus 13 is nothing but 21 and 13 plus 21 is nothing but 34 in that way. So addition of two digits, so 34 plus 55, that is nothing but 89. So answer is 89, friends. Go through the next problem, 14th problem. Yeah, this is 482. The numbers are rapidly decrease, so it's a division. Better to instead of division, go from the back end. So it is into 2, here to here into 2, and here to here it is like into 3. So obviously we may guess that it is into 4. 24 into 4 is nothing but 4 4s are 60. This will give us 96. 96 will be our answer. Yes, friends. Go through the next problem. What is given? The problem is given like 6, 14, 31, 137 and 280. So this is, it seems like 14 is nearer to 6. So it is into 2 plus 2. And 14 to 31, it is like into 2 plus 3. And obviously next would be into 2 plus 4. That will be our answer. Into 2 plus 4 is how much, friends? 31 into 2 is nothing but 62. 62 plus 4 is nothing but 66. This you will be getting the answer. So think in multiplication so that you will be getting the answers. Go through the next problem, friends. This is 7, 28, 129, 3131. 129, by looking at 129, you can remember that this is near to 5 cube. 5 cube plus 4. And this is nearer to 5 square, that is 5 square plus 3. This is nothing but 5 power 1 plus 2. Yes, we are getting the answer. 5 power 1 plus 2, 5 square, 5 cube. So here it will be 5 power 4 and it is added by 5. 5 power 4 is nothing but 625. 625 plus 5 is nothing but 630. 630 will be our answer, friends. Then go through the 17th problem. It is like 12, 36, 80, 150, 252. So have you seen these kind of numbers ever? Like remember 150, blindly you remember some numbers, you can write it as 5 cube plus 5 square. So think in that way so that you may get the answer. 5 cube plus 5 square, and you think the same way, this is 4 cube plus 4 square. Yes, we are getting. This is 3 cube plus 3 square. Yes, we are getting. So this is 6 cube plus 6 square, and obviously our answer would be 7 cube plus 7 square. What is 7 cube, friends? 343 plus what is 7 square? 49. 343 plus 49 is nothing but 392. So this is what our answer is. And go to the 18th problem. 18th problem is given as 18, 50, 98 to 42. Think of these things. What are these things? Yeah, randomly think of these things. Like if you take the difference, you won't get the answer. Randomly think, you may get the answer at any point of time. Like yes, friends. Yeah, 50 is nothing but you can write it as 2 into 25. That is nothing but 5 square. 18 you can write it as 2 into 3 square. Yes, you can write it out. And for 98 you can write it as 2 into 7 square. And 242 you can write it as 2 into 11 square. So next would be like a 2 into 13 square, friends. 30 square, like 2, 5, 7, 1 are the 11 are the primes, so 13 would be, so 13 is nothing but 169 into 2 is nothing but friends, it is 338. Yeah, go to the next problem. What is given? That is 19th problem. Just think of this problem. This is again an important problem. So what is there in this problem? Yeah, the problem is given like this: 6, 15, 35, 77 to 21. So this is very simple logic, friends. 77 you can write it as 7 into 11, and 35 you can write it as 5 into 7, and 15 you can write it as 3 into 5, 6 you can write it as 2 into 3. So here it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So these are the prime numbers. So next would be 11. It ended with 7, started with 7. So it should it ended with 11. It should start with 11. So 11 into 13. So the answer will be 143. So this is the last problem, friends. So these are the very simple problems what we are discussing. So 48, 100, 180, 294. So we said 150 is nothing but 5 cube plus 5 square. In the same way, you remember 100 is nothing but this is nothing but 5 cube minus 5 square. And along with this, you remember 48 also. If you can see 48 and 100 in the same problem, you may think of this logic. This is nothing but 4 cube minus 4 square. So this problem is given like this, friends. So this problem is about 4 cube minus 4 square. 48 is nothing but 4 cube minus 4 square, and 100 is nothing but 5 cube minus 5 square, and 180 is nothing but 6 cube minus 6 square, and 294 is nothing but 7 cube minus 7 square. Then obviously the next answer would be 8 cube minus 8 square, that is nothing but 512 minus 64. So that will give us answer as 64. This is, so this is answer is 448. So you will be getting the answer as 448. So this is what about number series, and we have discussed 20 problems, friends, and remaining 10 problems we have given as a quiz. Please wait till the evening, so that we will be giving the answers to you. Thank you very much. So that I hope this has given some practice to you for number series. Have a nice day.